For Scottsdale homeowners, security is always a top priority. While alarm systems, cameras, and smart locks often come to mind first, one of the most critical elements of home protection is something more basic: your doors. Even the strongest door won't keep your home safe if it's not installed correctly. Proper door installation is essential to ensuring your entryways provide maximum protection against intruders, weather, and everyday wear. Here's how expert installation enhances security for Scottsdale homes. Eliminating gaps and weak points. Improperly installed doors often leave gaps around the frame or between the door and threshold. These gaps not only let in drafts but also create vulnerabilities that intruders can exploit. A poorly aligned door can make it easier to force open, no matter how strong the material or lock. With professional installation, doors are carefully aligned to fit snugly within the frame. Weather stripping and seals are placed correctly, eliminating spaces that compromise both security and energy efficiency. A properly fitted door becomes a strong barrier, not a weak point. Reinforced frames and hardware. Your door is only as strong as the frame and hardware that support it. Even solid steel or fiberglass doors can fail if they're installed in weak or poorly anchored frames. Expert installers reinforce door frames and use heavy-duty hardware, such as strike plates and hinges, that are anchored deeply into the wall studs. For Scottsdale homeowners, where property value and security go hand in hand, this level of reinforcement ensures that doors can withstand forced entry attempts while remaining durable over time. Optimized lock performance. Locks provide the first line of defense on any door, but they're only effective if installed correctly. A misaligned lock can be easy to tamper with or may not latch securely. Professional installers ensure that locks are properly positioned, allowing them to engage fully with reinforced strike plates. Many modern doors are also designed to accommodate advanced security features like multi-point locking systems or smart locks. Proper installation guarantees these features work seamlessly, maximizing both convenience and protection for your Scottsdale home. Impact resistance against forced entry. Intruders often target entry doors with brute force, attempting to kick or pry them open. Proper door installation strengthens your home's defenses by ensuring that the door, frame, and hardware all work together to resist impact. High-quality materials like fiberglass and steel perform best when installed with expert precision. With the right installation, your doors won't just look secure, they'll actively withstand the force of break-in attempts, providing you with greater peace of mind. Additional protection against environmental factors. Security isn't only about deterring intruders, it's also about keeping your home safe from environmental threats. In Scottsdale's desert climate, dust, heat, and monsoon storms can take a toll on your doors. Poor installation can lead to warping, swelling, or weakened seals, all of which reduce durability. Expert installation prevents these issues by ensuring that doors are properly sealed and anchored, protecting your home against both the elements and potential intruders. Peace of mind and lasting value. Perhaps the greatest benefit of proper door installation is peace of mind. Knowing that your doors are correctly fitted, reinforced, and functioning at their best allows you to focus on enjoying your home. In addition, secure, professionally installed doors add to your home's overall value. Future buyers in Scottsdale will appreciate the combination of style, durability, and security, making your property stand out in a competitive market. Conclusion: security starts with proper installation for Scottsdale homeowners. Upgrading to a new door is only part of the equation. The real difference comes from proper installation. A professionally installed door eliminates gaps, reinforces frames, optimizes lock performance, and enhances impact resistance, all of which are critical to protecting your home. If security is your priority, don't leave your doors to chance. Investing in expert door installation ensures your entryways aren't just beautiful but also provide the strength and reliability your family deserves.